Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials: your email address, password, and incoming/outgoing server details. Once ready, open Outlook and choose File, then Add Account. You enter the address and let Outlook try automatic setup. Make sure to switch to manual setup if it cannot verify. This gets you into the real configuration flow quickly. If prompted, pick a map for sync across devices or POP3 if you prefer local download. Follow the on-screen prompts to move to detailed server entries next. Now you enter the detailed server settings so mail flows reliably. You select a map or POP3, type the incoming server host and numeric port, and set the encryption method. This protects your credentials. Next, fill the SMTP outgoing host and port and enable authentication using the same credentials. Once done, confirm advanced settings like root folder path or mailbox sync limits so folder behavior matches your needs. Make sure to test the connection. If successful, you're nearly finished. Finish by running Outlook's test send and receive so you verify both incoming and outgoing paths. You should confirm folder sync, notifications work, and that the account name and signature are set. If everything looks good, save and restart Outlook so settings take effect. If something goes wrong, double-check ports, SSL versus Startle's selection, and whether your username needs full email format. Often one mistyped character blocks login. If still failing, temporarily disable VPN or firewall and retry the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.